Hey, this is Cameron. Today I'm going to show you how to build a console app using the Yargs library. So Yargs is a extremely popular command line parser for Node.js. We're going to use it from Fable. So we're going to be able to build. Fable allows you to build Node.js applications and as well as browser applications. It's F# targeting JavaScript. So the Yargs package has been, in the last month, has seen 45 million plus downloads. So it's an extremely popular command line parser. And what's nice is that there is a TypeScript package for it. So I've gone ahead and created a template, a .NET template that you can use, and you can install it. I've created just a blank folder here, a temporary folder called My Console App, and from it I'm going to do. Actually, I'm going to make sure that I've uninstalled it. So this is how to uninstall the templates if you've got it installed. It should be uninstalled, and I'm going to install it with -i. Great. So I don't know if you saw it, but it just downloaded the 0.2 version that I just put out there. So if we do a .NET new, we can list the ones that are available for F#. And you'll see here that Yargs is a new template that you can use. If you look at my previous video, my previous blog post, you'll see HTTP2 is the one I made a couple days ago. So here, if you can do a .NET new Yargs, and this is going to pick up the name of the directory that it's in. So great. So it's now created a template. Here are all the files that show up, and from that we can simply do a build. Now build is just it's just running yarn .NET restore .NET Fable yarn build. So let's see, if you're on Mac or Linux, just run those 3 commands individually. So when it's built, it's created a dist folder, and inside the dist folder is the app.js, and so that's what we're going to run. That is built from the app.fs here that I'll go through in a second. But from there we can just run it. So if you look at the start, it's just calling node dist app and then passing along the argument. So if I just do a start, you'll see here that we have a command line application where it tells you the usage. It says, do you want to show the version, and and then it's requiring a file. So this is the example app from Yargs. So this is the advanced example. Sorry, not the advanced. This is just the example, and it's the last one on the bottom. So I've ported this example, and I'll show you the F# code here in a second. But all it does is it counts the number of lines in a file. So let's try it out. So if we run start and we do -f. When we pass it a file, we can do, I don't know, yarn.lock. And it's now it says that yarn.lock contains 1,499 files. So let's take a look at yarn.lock. And if we scroll down to the bottom, yep, that's how many lines it has. So we have a app that shows the options, the commands that you can run. So this particular example only has a single command. Lots of apps that come out right now, you can put in multiple commands. And let's go through the code. So just opening up the Yargs package, and from the Yargs package, I'm saying that the usage is the example is the pass a command in. So we have one command. It's called count, and there's an alias for file, or there's an F# argument. That's its description. That's saying that it's actually required, and we have help information, and help also you can pass -h as an alias for the help command or help option. And there's an epilogue at the bottom, which is copyright. So that's the example. All I did was port it, but it's pretty much a direct port, and it's really that simple. Other things to note, yeah, I'm just using the create read stream from Node, and a couple of events when you get the data in, when you're reading the file. It's using the regex that Fable has ported to basically just look at all of the line feeds, and then it prints the number of lines at the end. So that's the code overview. Hopefully that's a good example, and that'll get you started. A little more information about TST Fable. So the node and the Yargs files were generated by TST Fable based on the TypeScript types that were downloaded. So it's very simple to install TypeScript definition files from npm, and then use TST Fable to generate the bindings that then you can consume and use to build a Node.js application. Thanks. Hopefully that helps, and enjoy building Node application.